everybody, Chef Pete is here, and today let's talk meatballs, okay? And I'm going to use ground turkey instead of ground beef, but if you like, you can use ground beef, use ground chicken, use whatever you like to make meatballs with, but today I'm going to make it with ground turkey. And instead of using breadcrumbs, okay, breadcrumbs are something that looks like this, okay? Breadcrumbs, and these are Italian breadcrumbs, you see here, Italian breadcrumbs, and they look like this, okay, because they've been run through the processor and they're nice and fine and done. I like to do the meatballs, and I like to do them with stuffing. And this is chicken stuffing I have here. And I like to use chicken stuffing because it is bread. It's not bread like the breadcrumbs, that's fine, but it's bread in pieces like this. See, it's bread like this, just like that, okay? And it also has, this is a chicken one here, and it also has some spices in it and this and that, but I'm going to take that and I'm going to put it in with our meatballs and mix them all up together, and then I'm going to go to our air fryer tray, and you've known by now when I hold this, we're going to go to the Breville air fryer over here, and we're going to do our meatballs, and then I'm going to do a sauce for the meatballs in our pan, and it's going to be fresh mixed mushrooms, you know, creminis, white, all different kinds of mushrooms, and that will be our sauce along to make our simple meal today with a nice vegetable of beautiful Swiss chard, maybe a little bit of chives I'll throw in, maybe a little bit of onion, and we'll make a nice vegetable, okay? All right, so there we have it. Use whatever meat you like. Use breadcrumbs if you don't want to try this. Give it a try. Just buy one of those small boxes, and you need just about half of it, okay? Half of it, and then puff it up so it's ready to go, okay? And then just toss them into your meat. This is 1 pound of meat I'm using to make these meatballs, okay? So there is the background. Meatballs are great. You save a lot of money. Use lighter, saturated fat meat, I guess. Although it is saturated fat in turkey, but it's lighter than ground beef. So give it a try. This is Pete, as always, wishing you the best. Out.